Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I'm mixing, I'm mastering, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
Ain't no disrespect to my brothers that's fucking with each today. But these fuckboys pretend like we been friends. Before the strap with the facts is best. I'm over that, I'm off the tap. I happen to know that I'm focused on getting myself out of this. I just broke it. You broken the promise, working for something they got a promotion. What the fuck was I thinking? These fuckboys weigh me down till I'm thinking. Underground, don't make us out. You don't face the way. Comparison, keep at the bit. Fuckboys unintelligent. Yeah, put them in the ground. Keep my name out your fucking mouth. Keep my name out your fucking mouth. Keep my name out your fucking mouth.
Double kill. Double kill.
Drinks on me, got the builders on me. Squad deep when we mob out, when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Drinks on me, got the builders on me. Squad deep when we mob out, when we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no new friends, I've got all I need. I said I don't need no new friends, but I've got all I need. Whole squad goes that way. blacked out, I'm like Batman. In LA, we got kicked out, but now they want us all back, man. Y'all in the motherfucking friend zone. First try, took it to the end zone. All the lights off and her pants gone. And the Calvin Klein new panties. Ooh, I did some background to your squad and all of your team. And I know that what I found was some bullshit I don't believe. If y'all think you party hard, but you ain't never seen us raging. You ain't even get that drunk at the club yet. Almost all my friends are wasted, standing up on all the couches. VIP is too crowded. This girl in front of me just talks too much, but the booty's on me bouncing. I turn down towards every month. These older heads trying to do shows with me. They know I'm next up. I'm getting big. Think I'm supposed to be, so order drinks on me. Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep, but we mob out. When we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no friends. I've got all I need. I said I don't need no friends, but I've got all I need. Order drinks on me. Got the build, it's on me. Squad deep, but we mob out. When we mob out, it's on me. I don't need no friends. I've got all I need. I said I don't need no friends, but I've got all I need. Yeah. Brush them off of my elbows. Haters on me like Velcro. Think back to way simpler times when everybody didn't have a cell phone. Now these hoes all just pose for the camera. All want flicks, they all want answers. Stop talking about your followers and likes, I just can't stand it. Lately I know I've been fucking you, but